at the Disneyland for dirt bikes today. Gonna go ride a bunch of different motocross tracks, take you along, learn them all. We got the entrance to MX2 over here. Let's go see what this track looks like. Man, I'm so excited. Look at that jump. Look at that jump face. That thing looks so sick. All right, sight lap. Look at these jump faces, baby. This thing looks awesome. I literally don't know if I'm going to be able to contain my excitement today. Oh yeah, nice size doubles. Got those, piece of cake. Like step up looking thing. All the jump faces look really nice size. Look at how beefy this is. It's awesome. The tabletop's not that long, but it's like a super steep jump face, super steep landing. Oh my God, this place is so sick already. Dude, the size of this jump, it's like 30 feet uphill. Again, not crazy long, but I bet you that thing lofts you so high. Woo-hoo-hoo! There's trees everywhere, it just looks so picturesque. Probably like 30, 40 feet, that one. Big uphill. All right. Man, these things look awesome. This is going to be so much fun. Little option lines for your berm. Tabletop. Beautiful. And a lot of these looks like you can case them. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, buddy! First send! They're sick! This is our first track of the day, first time riding for the day, so these initial laps are also our warm-up laps. There we go. Woo! Woo! Oh my God! That send is so awesome because you like launch it down the hill. All right, big step up. Got it. Woo! Dude, that thing launched. Yeah. Will he do this big uphill? Taste that one a little bit, got the one before it perfect. Woo, buddy, let's do it, we got it. Oh my goodness, these things are going to be easy to overjump. Let's do it, Rudy! Ow! Rudy just kicked a gnarly rocket, man. Like the acceleration bumps all the way up the face of it are so gnarly. Udi hits jumps so weird. He had like absolutely no momentum and then just throttled at the end. Bro, you hit a rock and kicked it at my thigh. I felt like I got with a paintball gun. Just look at how scenic this track is. This is so fun. Oh shit. Way overjumped it. Like I said. doesn't have a whole lot of traction. It's quite dusty on the top of it. God, this is so fun and flowy though. There we go. All right, stay forth. A little bit faster. There we go. Did you see the last one? I like brake tapped at the very end. Ooh. Yeah, you see the late brake tap? Well, the first track I've rode here today, man, I can't say anything but good things about it. If you're alright with some hard pack, some slippery hard pack, this is so much fun. You just feel like you're flying through the trees here. And the bigger jumps like that one, you're so high up in the air, but the landing is so big, it's so long. The landing is just so big and so long that you can OJ it by quite a bit and still feel pretty good. So that's going to be the end of the video today. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did enjoy it, please leave me a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!